Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by deciding where to hide the password, in memory, in configuration, or in a secure store. For now, create a minimal C# console or WinForms project and add Microsoft, ASP.NET Core, data protection, or protected data references. Once done, convert the plain string to SecureString or use AES encryption with a derived key. Make sure to limit lifetime and scope, then avoid to string calls on SecureString. You should also mark variables private and minimize exposure. This reduces accidental leaks during debugging or logging and tests. You will now implement encryption and decryption routines. Create a helper class that uses AES managed or AES. Create set cipher mode CBC and use PKCS7 padding, then generate a random Roman 4 per encryption. Once encrypted, store Roman 4 alongside ciphertext, for example as base 64 Roman 4 plus base 64 ciphertext. Make sure to protect keys. Use Windows DPAPI, Azure Key Vault, or user-derived keys with PBKDF2 and a strong salt. Write unit tests for round-trip decryption and handle exceptions. Finish by integrating secure storage into your workflow. Save only ciphertext and necessary metadata, such as Roman 4 and version. Once integrated, rotate keys periodically and provide migration code to re-encrypt existing entries. Make sure to remove plaintext from memory immediately by clearing buffers and disposing SecureString or zeroing byte arrays. Finally, restrict access with least privilege and audit access logs. If decryption fails, check key availability, Roman 4 format, and padding mismatches. These are the most common problems to troubleshoot and verify provenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.